Today I'm going to show you how to fit this Van True E2 front and rear hardwired dashcam system into your 2025 Ford Puma. To get to the fuse box, you need to physically remove the glove box. You can do that by these two twisted lugs here and then dropping the glove box door down. The fuse box is actually situated right up behind on the bulkhead of the car. You then remove this panel to be able to feed through the cables and use the bare metal for a completed circuit to give yourself a good earth. Here is a diagram of the fuse box layout, which you can find usually either on the Ford website or in your car's user manual. What we're trying to do here now is to find a permanent live and a switch live, which you can see labelled clearly on the diagram on your screen. Once you have found your permanent live and your switch live, you then need to connect the cables yellow to yellow and red to red if you are color coded. Battery is the permanent live and the ATC is usually the switch live. It is important to note, however, whichever camera system you are using, just to double check that the color coding is correct, with the yellow and the red being the accessory or the permanent live. Once you have confirmed color coding and connected all the cables, you then need to connect the earth to the chassis to complete the circuit. Once the circuit is complete, you can then prepare yourself to feed the cables up and through to the A-pillar, which would then connect through the roof lining to connect to the camera, which will be installed on the front windscreen, which should be around or behind the center mirror.